Alright, welcome back. Well, got issues with the Ford that I'm driving right now. This morning I drove it and put it in a parking lot, and it left a huge puddle of diesel fuel on the ground. So my electronic fuel system is actually leaking. So we're gonna go fix that and kind of redesign it. This was kind of the first version. And I thought of a better way to do it, so we're gonna go take care of that because I have a 4-hour drive today, so got to get it done first thing. So stay tuned. I'll show you what's up, and then show you guys exactly how I would recommend doing a fuel system to be simplest and cheapest if you got a old body style Ford or any truck that doesn't have an electronic fuel system. It's got a mechanical. This is a really cheap, show you a really cheap way to do it, and it's very reliable. So we have made it to the Homeless Depot. Got to get a few things here, and then I'll be right back. So I'll show you what I got. Alright, so here's what we got. We got some stuff to protect the rubber hoses, a 1/4-inch steel galvanized T, another 5/16, just a barb fitting, some barb tees, and then some better hose clamps. So yeah, it's leaving puddles on the ground when you let it sit. So what we're going to do here, we're going to yank the fuel rail out, get rid of it. I'm going to change the supply and feed lines up to the fuel filter and fuel pump here. They're going to come directly from underneath. And then it'll literally just be 2 rubber lines running down. I'm actually going to feed from the back of the head, return from the front of the head, because the back injectors are always the ones that have issues. So maybe getting a better fuel supply will help. So we're going to take care of that and get started. Probably thirsty. Thirsty, huh? Alright, don't need the Christmas tree in there anymore. Oh, I nicknamed this piece. Now that that's out of there, I can go back to putting this together how I want to put it together. E Fuel System 2.0. Alright, so I took the fittings out of the Christmas tree that I needed. It was just these two, my fuel pressure sensor. So now what I gotta do is take this T and I gotta drill and tap the back of it for the fuel pressure sensor. So we're gonna get to doing that right now. Alright, next thing you do, put a barb fitting in that T. This is where it looks like I already made a mistake. I bought a 1/4 inch NPT pipe T, and these are 1/8. So I got to go get an 1/8 quarter adapter to go in each side, then put these in there. So I'm gonna run to the store real quick and take care of that, and then be back to finish this piece. Good thing I got the trusty Cummins to drive when I'm working on the Ford. Hello. Alright, so we're under here hooking the lines in. I got the supply line, which is this one, already hooked up. This is the return. Hooking that up. There's just 2 lines right here. So your supply line comes up to your electronic fuel pump, through your fuel filter, down to the back of the head, through the heads, out the T-fitting, up here to the regulator, and then back down to the return. So all you'll need, it's pretty simple. You'll need a 1/4 inch barb T, just a T-fitting or whatever line size you choose. You could choose bigger or smaller or whatever. I just went with 1/4 inch because that's OEM. You go, it looks like this, 1/4 inch T, bunch of hose clamps, just a barb fitting, 1/4 inch, or like I said, whatever line size you choose. Wait for that compressor. Obviously a pump and fuel filter, fuel pressure regulator, which you can get at Amazon, eBay, whatever. Same with the fuel filter adapter. And then you'll need the 1/4 inch T thing there, the 1/4 inch NPT to 1/8 inch NPT adapters, and that will be it. You know, rubber line. It's really, really simple, bunch of hose clamps. It'd probably take you, to take the old one off and do this, it'd probably take you 3-4 hours. Make the truck more efficient. It'll run better. You set your, you know, if you got a fuel pressure gauge inside, you just set your regulator to run right at the optimal fuel pressure, 45, 48-ish. And it'll run good. So thanks for watching. See you in another video.